Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Several weeks ago I just put the mud flaps on Tesla Model 3 on the front side, and this week I'm gonna put it on the back side. The one in front side I ordered by tesla.com, and this one I ordered it from AliExpress. I'll put a link in the description below if somebody needs. The process is similar. Here you have two small screws. For that we're gonna use first the plastic tool to take the notch out, and then this wrench to take it out. The plastic cover will come, it has a clip over here which has to be inserted like this, and then just fit it on the holes over there, and take the original screws out and put the new plastic one, which you receive it in the package, and they are a little bit longer because it has to take as well the thickness of these mud flaps. Tools you need: the hammer. Probably you cannot hammer it from this, it's a very short distance, but maybe I can, I don't know, use it on the wheel to squeeze it inside. And yeah, in Guideline, and some plastic tools that you can find as well in AliExpress, and mostly this is everything. Okay, so first I try to take this clip out like so. Okay, and then it's pop it off. The same thing with the other one. Just pop it off. Open this. Take all this out. You need two of these. The reason why I have too much is because the set was coming in 4 also with the other one for the front wheel, but because we ordered already one on Tesla, then we are not gonna fit this today. But it's good that we have it to keep it from spare. So as I said, you have this little notch which will gonna clip like this, like a hook. You put it here, you align everything with the holes. Put this first without the screw. Okay, and then you just have to press this. Very easy, so much easier than the one in front. The same thing on the other side. Press it with the finger. Take the screw and press it. This is a little bit much harder, so I'll try it. Okay, and that should be everything. We're gonna go on the other side. Take these two pieces and we're gonna go on the other side. As the other side, this notch should be fit here like this. Try to align the holes like so. Put the first plastic screw here, secure it with the plastic adapter. Put the other one on the back side and then secure it with the plastic. And this is everything. So this is it, guys. 5 minutes job maximum. I'll leave you the link in the description below. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the likes button, and stay tuned till next time when I will upload the new video. Thank you very much.